Good morning, everybody. Welcome to our English class. This is Ilyas Al-Hariri, grade 8, unit 3, going to the National Park. Today we have period number 11, page 38. At the beginning, I want you to listen and write down what you hear.
Period 11. Activity 1. 1. There are now national parks in many countries, and they are there to protect beautiful places from damage. 2. In Yosemite, there are many mountains, lakes, valleys, rivers and waterfalls, and it is also full of many amazing kinds of wildlife. 3. Yosemite gets millions of visitors every year, and therefore the park needs thousands of people to help look after it. Some of them, like Tony Ross, work with Young Friends of Yosemite.
Okay, so listen again and write or check what did you write.
Period 11. Activity 1. 1. There are now national parks in many countries, and they are there to protect beautiful places from damage. 2. In Yosemite, there are many mountains, lakes, valleys, rivers and waterfalls, and it is also full of many amazing kinds of wildlife. 3. Yosemite gets millions of visitors every year, and therefore the park needs thousands of people to help look after it. Some of them, like Tony Ross, work with Young Friends of Yosemite.
Okay. We have exercise number 2. Write out a page of Omar's diary. Use the notes below to help write out the complete diary page. Add the following. Number 1, A. Information you have heard or read in Unit 3 to fill gaps 1 to 8 and use the words in the box. These are the words: campsite, friends, lake, mountains, rafting, 3, woods, and Yosemite. B. The 14 verbs in brackets here in this part, put it or change it in the present perfect or present simple. So let's start. Going to a national park. Here we have period number 11, Tuesday, July something evening. This be the end of our third day. This is the end of our third day at National Park, Yosemite National Park, and we have fantastic 3 days here. We have had. So I write it in the short form have, because we don't have a space. So we've had a fantastic 3 days here. We already, and when we use already, we use it with the present perfect. So we say we have already climbed and add ed with the climb to become past participle. A high mountain, and we also have. When we have also, it means the same tense, and here we have present perfect, so also here we have present perfect. So after we both have, and we both the verb 3 or past participle of have had. So we've also had a lot of fun. White water, rafting. Next we have we just make friends with Tony Ross. Just also we use the keywords with the present perfect. We have just made friends with Tony Ross. He do volunteer work. He does volunteer work for Young of Yosemite. Young what? Young Friends of Yosemite. And he's been here for, we use it to the present perfect, 3 weeks. Now when we use every day, it means present simple. Every day he tidies up the campsite with his friends, and they also, and when we say also, it means the same tense. And here we have present simple, so also we have present simple. So we say, and they also make the paths safe out in the woods. This evening we be sailing. This evening we've been sailing with them on the lake with them for 3 hours. So we have 4, it means present, 3 hours. We be swimming from their boats. We've been swimming from their boat too, and we have fantastic time, and we have had fantastic time. We just, present perfect, we've just got back from all that, and now I feel very tired. That's all. Thanks for attending and have a nice day.